Hi all, this is Aisha Javed. I am the correspondent of Green Valley Matriculation School and Green Valley CBSE School of Excellence. Our school is located in Pernambet in Vellore district. Thank you. Our school has a very beautiful atmosphere. It is filled with greeneries all around and you can see it is surrounded with hills and mountains. The school has a very good location and spacious classrooms with lot of infrastructures. Each classrooms have the blackboard on both the sides and it has a lot of benches with smart class arrangement and two doorways and four windows. It has excellent faculties. In short, our faculties will meet you and they will tell you how they are specialized in taking these subjects.
Assalamu alaikum and a pleasant morning to all of you. This is Qadir Khan, Academic Head of Green Valley Schools, Metric and CBSE Pernambet. Basically, I am a science educator and a NEET biology educator. I am also the in charge of 9th and 10th Green Valley Schools Metric. I have 18 plus years of experience in producing doctors, engineers and scientists. In Green Valley Schools, we approach the method for teaching students in an innovative ways. The two very important innovative and creative ways are intellectual development and instructional conversation. In intellectual development, we see the progress of students because science is having very tricky concepts which will be explained beautifully by our educators in visualization method and practice method, and we teach practically everything. Because students have preconceptions and misconceptions in these concepts. Hence, our educators concentrate on each student individually to clear the way for misconceptions of students, and definitely students will love to learn science at any age. The second method is instructional organization or instructional conversation. This is an end-to-end conversation between a teacher or educator and students individually. This will help, this will modify our students to progress at a good pace and help themselves to create the developing skills of self-study. Science is a beautiful subject which is related to our daily lives. Here we don't concentrate as a perfect teacher, we concentrate to make the students to learn with curiosity. When they come to class, online or offline, they'll be curious to learn more about science. That's what we do here by giving a quality education to them. I welcome all of you and happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.
Our Green Valley School have effective school leadership, well-trained and qualified teacher, excellent academic plan, high level of collaboration, communication between teachers, parents and management, frequent monitor of learning and teaching, focused professional development, curriculum, instructions and assessments are aligned in high-tech standard education.
Free, safe environment. Participated and become winners in all inter-school competition, conducted 20 plus webinars, and in one webinar our student as speakers celebrated many important days and events, conducted first time online assembly, first time online exhibition, first time online exams. We have RTE Right to Education scheme for LKG in free admission. We have minority scholarship, giving education scholarship for school toppers. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to our respected and beloved chairman sir, correspondent ma'am, responsible teachers and my dear students. I am so proud to be here in front of you all. I request you all to be aware of and biting your feet, nothing. Just because of my speech, even be more speech. Green Valley is the school of excellence where the students are found with more intelligence. Green Valley is the school of peace and nature, so you can find your way to the wonderful future.
We are teaching through Neat School app where we always united without a single gap. We have ELGA class for developing English to speak more fluent and stylish. We have cricket and tennis coaching in CBSE that makes the tournaments to be very easy. Our school shares regular knowledge update through social media
that even you can't find in encyclopedia. Education is locked in lockdown, but through online, Green Valley has got the crown. Our chairman sir makes the school to be proud, that makes everyone to fly above the cloud. Our correspondent ma'am has inspired me in her responsibility and kind, and she is present in everyone's heart and mind. However, I end these sweet lines hereby myself, Sarah ma'am, by opening my knowledge to everyone like a dam. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Raju from Green Valley Education Institutions Metric and CBSE, and I am the in charge for Green Valley School of Excellence CBSE. Now I am here to talk about science because I am taking science for 4th to 9th standard. In our school, we are using two different methods to make understand science. They are passive approach and active approach. In passive approach, we are making students to receive verbal content and visual content, and in active method we are making students to participate in it and we are making students to do it. By that, a student can retain the 90% of information after a week, after 2 weeks also. Here we are using reading, hearing, demo, watching a video, getting involved in discussion, and finally presenting real life experience. These are the steps we are using for science. By this, for everyone, science become an easiest subject. Dear students and parents, feel free to join with us and very happy Independence Day.
Hi viewers, a special greetings from our Green Valley School. It's my great pleasure to tell you about my school speciality and high peak value of ELGA post teaching. Here we are here with great glad to express to you to tell you the specialty of English teaching. Our kids are enjoying by learning the correct pronunciation, fluency in expressions and different kinds of calligraphy writing, phonics descriptions, different sounds of letters and words, and creative writings and narrating the events with the sequence, and they are enjoying by learning everything in ELGA course. This is what the special course we are teaching our children, and they were enjoying the learning in the lead course of ELGA teaching. Thank you everyone.
Hi everyone, this is Pavitra from Green Valley Schools. I am handling mathematics subject from 4th standard to 9th standard. Now I am going to tell about maths. Maths is very important in our daily life. Children don't like maths because it is hard. Maths is not hard. It is fairly simple if we understand the story or meaning behind it. In Lead School, we taught maths following 3 steps: concrete, pictorial and abstract. So students, these are the steps can able to learn maths very easily. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sendamil Selvi from Green Valley Schools. Now I am going to tell about our Green Valley Schools infrastructure. As for the name of the school, it has a green and natural environment. It has open classrooms, temperature control because of its naturalness. Protected from noise and air pollution, fresh air to breathe, spacious and well ventilized classrooms, playgrounds with games equipment, facilities like study tables, chairs, furniture and basic utilities such as water and electricity, etc. It has a study hall and it has an assembly area here. Well maintained sanitation facilities also available in our school and many more. We should provide a learning atmosphere to every student where they acquire knowledge and skills to grow as a responsible individual. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day.
This is Anusha from Green Valley School. I am handling social science. Now I am telling about social science. Social science help us learn about Earth, our past and the rules and norms which human beings follows, that is verbal receiving, visual receiving, participating, doing. Thank you.
அனைவருக்கும் எனது காலை வணக்கம். என் பெயர் சீனிவாசன், ஆர்ட் அண்ட் கிராஃப்ட் டீச்சர், கிரீன் வேல்யூ ஸ்கூல், சிபிஎஸ்இ அண்ட் மெட்ரிக். ஓவியம் என்பது ஒரு தனிக்கலை. ஓவியம் என்பது ஒரு தனித்திறமை வெளிப்படுத்த முடியும். ஓவியத்தை நம்ம எவ்வளோ அழகாக வரைகிறோமோ அவ்வளோ புத்துணர்ச்சி நம்மளால் அறிய முடியும். ஸோ டிராயிங் என்பது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு கலைன்றது வந்து நம்மளே ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா உண்டாக்கும். கிராஃப்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதில் கூட வந்து கிராஃப்ட் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வீட்டுக்கு நம்ம தேவையான அலங்காரம் பேப்பர், பிளாஸ்டிக் பேப்பர், அட்டை இதெல்லாம் வரைஞ்சி அழகாக வீட்டில் டிசைன் பண்ணுவோம், அலங்காரம் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ பென்சில் டிராயிங், பென் டிராயிங், கிளே ஒர்க், பெயிண்டிங், ஷேடிங் இதெல்லாம் நம்ம அழகாக பண்ணால் உடைய கலையை நம்ம அறிய முடியும். ஸோ கலை என்பது முதல்ல அறிய வேண்டும்.
Start. Good morning to everyone. This is Fatima from Green Valley School. Today I am going to make you aware about CCS, that is Computation Coding System. In this 21st century and during this lockdown, we have noticed that digital platform is enhancing the power of information within just one click. Yes, you are guessing it right. I am talking about mobiles, laptops and computers. But my dear parents and students, have you ever thought about coding? In this era, coding are in high demand. Coding knowledge allows students better understand the world. It improves creativity. For class 1 to 3, they are going to learn about Google Docs, Slides and MS Word, PowerPoint, TuxPaint and Scratch Junior, which will make them to understand about edit, design, abstraction and block-based coding. For class 4 to 5, they are going to learn about Google Sheet, MS Excel, multimedia, tools and Scratch, which makes them to understand about statics, data analysis, record, edit and variable and functions. For 6 to 8 standard, we are providing Python and HTML. Under the expert teacher's guidance, your children are going to get the opportunity to learn these codings. Thank you very much.
Hello my dear children, this is Dr. from Green Valley School. I am your KG teacher. We are using these 3 books for kindergarten. Part 1, Part 1A and Part 1B. Fun picture and colorful and attractive displays. We'll admire them to learn happily. Teach the way children learn. Thank you my dear children.
Hi students, today I am going to tell about kindergarten student. Boldness we will bring out through blackboard teaching. So boring never be happen. Thank you.
For kindergarten, there are lot of playing items. We are proud to say no kids never here to cry because they enjoy our approach and they enjoy our play way of teaching. Thank you.
वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम सैयद सद्दाम हुसैन है। मैं ग्रीन वैली स्कूल पेन्नाबेट में कुरान, दीनियात और उर्दू की तालीम देता हूँ। माशाल्लाह हमारे स्कूल में दुनियावी तालीम के साथ साथ दीनी तालीम का निज़ाम बहुत अच्छे तरीके से किया गया है। बच्चों को LKG ही से कुरान और दीनियात का तालीम का सिलसिला शुरू हो चुका है और इसका इंतज़ाम का अंदाज़ भी बहुत बेहतरीन है। और साथ ही साथ उर्दू भी बच्चों को LKG ही से उर्दू की तालीम भी शुरू कर चुके हैं, जिससे बच्चे उर्दू मुस्तक़बिल में आसानी के साथ समझ सकते हैं और आसानी के साथ पढ़ भी सकते हैं। और कुरान दीनियात से बहुत सारे बच्चों को अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत सारा फ़ायदा होता है। यहाँ दीनियात जिसमें बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट हैं, माशाल्लाह इस स्कूल में बहुत बेहतरीन किताब है ये, इससे बच्चों को बहुत फ़ायदा होता है। और इसके आगे दीन के लाइन से जितना भी इंतज़ाम करना है, जो भी बच्चों को फ़ायदा होने वाला है, वो सब सारे चीज़ें इसका इंतज़ाम करते हैं। और फ़िलहाल लॉकडाउन में ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो कि असरी तालीम यानी दुनियावी तालीम के साथ साथ कुरान और दीनियात का तालीम का भी ऑनलाइन क्लास में सिलसिला शुरू कर चुके हैं। इससे भी बहुत सारे बच्चे फ़ायदा उठाते हैं। अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इसके बाद और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बच्चों को वज़ू का तरीक़ा सिखाया जाता है और जैसे बच्चे वज़ू करते हैं उसमें सुन्नतें सिखाए जाते हैं, फ़राइज़ सिखाए जाते हैं और वज़ू के दुआ। ये वज़ू खाना है, यहाँ पर बच्चे वज़ू करते हैं और उसकी ट्रेनिंग भी हासिल करते हैं ताकि वज़ू करने में गलती ना हो सके, ताकि बच्चों को वज़ू का तरीक़ा अच्छे से मालूम हो सके। ये अब वज़ू खाना देखें। अब नमाज हाल है, ये बच्चे वहाँ पर वज़ू करके सीधे नमाज हाल में आ जाते हैं और हमारे स्कूल में नमाज हाल का भी इंतज़ाम किया गया है ताकि बच्चों को नमाज पढ़ने में आसानी हो सके। और यहाँ बच्चों को नमाज की ट्रेनिंग होती है, नमाज के फ़राइज़, नमाज के सुन्नतें, नमाज कैसे पढ़ना। स्कूल के नाम से एक यूट्यूब में दीनी चैनल शुरू करे हैं जिसमें बयान डाला जाता है ताकि लोगों को फ़ायदा हासिल हो। और इसके अलावा 2 माह में मतलब ऑनलाइन वेबिनार चलाया जाता है जिसमें दीनी लाइन से चलाया जाता है जिससे भी लोगों को फ़ायदा होता है। अभी हाल में ईद उल अज़हा के मुताल्लिक़ वेबिनार चलाया गया था जिसमें भी बहुत सारे लोग शिरकत करे। ये तमाम इंतज़ामात हमारे स्कूल में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दीनी लाइन से करते रहते हैं। और बच्चों को चार्ट वर्क जो है जिस तरीके से बच्चों को आसानी से समझ में आ जाए दीन के लाइन से, ऐसे ये जो चार्ट है ये नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के ख़ानदान मुबारक के बारे में है। तो ऐसे चीज़ें जो बच्चों को आसानी से समझ में आ सके दीन के बारे में, ये सारे इंतज़ाम हमारे स्कूल में करते आ रहे हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। आखिर में मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि अल्लाह तबारक व तआला हमारे स्कूल को ता क़यामत जारी और सारी फरमाए, आमीन।
इज़्ज़त माब चेयरमैन साहिब, करस्पॉन्डेंट साहिबा, हेडमास्टर, प्रिंसिपल और असातिज़ा इकराम, तलबा और तालिबात और मेरे अज़ीज़ भाइयों और बहनों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम नवीदा है। मैं ग्रीन वैली स्कूल में उर्दू कुरान दीनियत का उस्ताद हूँ।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Fawzia from Green Valley School. Today I am going to tell about the administration office of Green Valley School, Panambal.
We have every resources to use smart class.
We are sharing valuable knowledge like facts, event and observation, history, new words through social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. With parents like you, we diligently work every day towards making this school excellent for everyone.
We Green Valley School interact with parents and students through phone calls, WhatsApp and e-school app directly.
Students and staff instructed to speak only in English. We Green Valley School appointed maids for sanitizing and cleaning washrooms and playgrounds. In Green Valley School, duty teachers are allotted to receive and send the students. We have 16 security cameras at Green Valley School. We take care of our students during lunchtime, break time and prayer.
Hi everyone, this is Zohat Hassan from Green Valley School. Myself Tansia Anjum from Green Valley School.
Myself Arshia Anjum from Green Valley School.
Today I am going to tell about extracurricular activity in our school, karate. In our school we have karate to improve strength, power and flexibility of students.
Skating. We have skating. It makes the student get blood pumping and the heart rate up.
Cricket and tennis. More than we have cricket ground, tennis court to enhance concentration. Thank you to all.
Green Valley பள்ளியின் சார்பாக அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய வணக்கங்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். Green Valley பள்ளியில் நாங்கள் கற்பிக்கும் தமிழ் மொழி கற்றலை பற்றி உங்களிடத்தில் எடுத்துக் கூறுவதில் நான் மிகவும் பெருமிதம் கொள்கிறேன். தமிழையே சரியாக படிக்க எழுத தெரியாத பிள்ளைகள் ஒவ்வொருவரையும் எழுத்து பயிற்சி, மொழியை சரியாக உச்சரிக்கும் முறைகள், தமிழ் மொழியில் பாடல்கள், கவிதைகள் ஆகியவற்றை சொந்த நடையில் எழுதும் திறமை, பேச்சு போட்டி, கட்டுரை போட்டி, விவாத மேடை போன்றவற்றில் தமிழ் நடையில் தன்னுடைய திறமையை வளர்த்து கொள்ளும் அளவிற்கு அவர்களுக்கு காணொலி காட்சிகள் மூலமாக தமிழை மிக அழகாக எடுத்து உரைக்கிறோம் என்பதை நான் பெருமையுடன் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
नमस्ते, मैं ग्रीन वैली स्कूल का हिंदी अध्यापिका विक्टोरिया।